Hey guys, welcome back to the build. Object of today's work is going to be get a cross brace in between the hardtail and the back on the bottom. So I have a place to mount my battery tray. And then once we get that in there, we'll be able to hook up the lower mount for the rear fender, and we'll be well on our way. Then we're getting close. We got to mount our seat and mount our tank, and then we can start ripping this thing down and getting it ready to paint. So let's get into it. Okay, let's get a measurement. This is going to be some 1/4 inch by 3, and it looks like if I go center to center, it's about 10 inches. You could go really a little under 10. If I go 9 7/8, be about right. All right. Alright, so this plate's gonna sit underneath, but we don't want it to sit like that. We want it to sit level. So we're gonna take a measurement from the top, and that is gonna be the same as what it would be down there, if that makes sense. I hope it does. We gotta get a level and a tape measure. This is our level. Has collected a lot of shavings. Check that thing out. Got all the shavings on the magnets there. Crazy. Looks like about 1/2 inch. Yeah, a little bit more. Oh, that's looking good. It was looking good. Okay, I'm just gonna have to grind a little bit off the front. I'm gonna wait. All right. So I got these holes drilled and tapped. Got these drilled and countersunk. And then I got these little screws that I countersunk on the lathe, and I just put a slot on them. Now, I don't know, this is I had to just weld this dang thing in here, just zzz, and be done with it, but here I am, trying to make it so I can change it someday. Like, why would I ever? I'll put a little Loctite on there. I'm ready to be done with it, but I think that'll work. Got the bottoms of these off. Well, I think I got it on backwards. The holes are a little bit off, but that's it. Let's weld that bracket on. Well, I got carried away, made another bracket and didn't have a chance to bring you guys along, but got her all made. I mean, you know, you've seen one bracket, you've seen them all. We're going to put this little piece on here with some washers and weld her up. This is the rear fender brace, or the bottom fender. Well, I got some parts made for my seat mounting. These two bushings will press into here. It's a little tight right now, and I'm not going to do it just yet. And then they'll ride inside a bolt that'll hold the seat on, like so. On this one will go like that. Oh, that's super blurry. Anyway, I made this part here out of an old muffler stay. It just happens to be the perfect ID, so I just cut off some chunks and made this little part. So don't throw away your old junk, you might be able to use it. All right, I'm gonna start making some spring mounts for the seat, and I'll bring you along for that stuff. The next step is going to be to mark a line 3/4 of an inch in, and we will machine back to that. We're making a little shoulder for the spring to sit on, so that's going to be 3/4. And yes, I just used a cutoff wheel to part a part on my lathe, because every cutoff tool I try to use just it chatters like crazy, and sometimes it breaks. And I made one that was thinner than this and doesn't work, but that, ladies and gentlemen, works great. Probably is going to trash my lathe here with all the grinding dust, but we'll clean her up eventually. So I'm making the seat mount, and this is what they supplied with the seat, but that thing's just a little spindly piece of junk, so yeah, not using that. So I'm making this out of 3/16 plate. Got another piece here that's going to go on the end, a little shorter actually. Then I'll bend these two tabs up, drill some holes. So let's get to it. Got the seat bracket parts all cut out. This piece, got it drilled and leveled. Everything looks good. I put the bolt in it. Had to adjust it just a hair, but she's looking good. I got this piece all done, and all I gotta do is welder them together. I'm gonna put a little bevel on this before I do that. This is all mocked up. Basically, I just stuck a spacer inside to pretend that it's the bushings I made and a couple of washers. Didn't really want to weld on this with all the brass involved. All right, as far back as I can get it. I'll make some special washers for these. These are not going to be the ones. Now this is how she's going to go on the frame. These two little guys, I did a little cope on the bottom. And I'll get the exact measurement here in a sec to get them straight on here, but I just want to see how she fits. Now, let's see, a little wider. All right. Well guys, that's gonna do it for this video. Got the seat all mounted, got the battery tray all done, got the frame brace all done, so she's looking good. Next step is to lay this tank on here and see what the heck that looks like. Because it might look terrible, but it might look fine. I don't know. We're gonna take a look at that and see if we wanna chop it up like we did the last time. But anyway, I appreciate y'all very much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.